InvoiceASAP makes it super easy to copy an existing estimate to an invoice on the InvoiceASAP dashboard. On the left side menu, just go to the Estimates list. From the Estimate list, select in the View column the estimate that you would like to copy to an invoice. Click on the estimate number, and this will bring up the saved estimate. From the saved estimate, on the right-hand side menu, select Copy, and then select Invoice. All of the line items and any descriptions from that estimate will come over to a newly created invoice that you can then send, take a payment or mark paid, edit, or even copy to a new estimate or invoice. You can also add customer notes and attach photos. If you get stuck or need help with anything at all, please get in touch with our support team. You can open a support ticket by sending an email to support@invoiceasap.com, and you can also do instant chat on the InvoiceASAP dashboard when you're logged into the website. We're always here to help you.